Hello everyone, I am Kushagra Singh of class 3 from Singh School in Ranagar. Today I am going to show you a cool experiment that explains why some things float and others sink. We will see how adding salt to water changes its density and how it affects the floating object. So let's start. First of all, I have two glasses filled halfway with plain water. One will stay as it is and in other I am going to add some salt. Now I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt to one of the glasses and stirring it well until it dissolves completely. This glass will have salt water while the other one will have plain water. You can also add the food color to the salt water to see the difference more clearly. But that's optional. I have eggs here which I am going to drop in plain water first. Let's see what happens. Now the magic begins. The egg sinks to the bottom because it is denser than the water. Now I am going to drop the egg into the salt water. Let's watch closely. It's floating. Do you know how it works? The reason this happens is that when we dissolve salt in water, the water becomes denser. This means there is more mass in the same amount of water. The denser salt water pushes up on the egg with more force, making it float while the plain water is not denser enough to do that. So, this experiment shows that how adding salt to water changes its density, which affects whether objects sink or float. It's a fun way to learn about density, mass and bouncy. Thanks for watching.